What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be differentiating the function that you see there using the quotient rule. Guys, I've made videos on other rules, your chain rule, your product rule, and this one now is the quotient rule. If you want to watch those videos and more videos that I made on other chapters, you can go to the playlist section. You're able to see those videos there. I put them in a category more like a playlist. Right, if you are new on this channel, I would advise you guys to subscribe to the channel so that you can able to watch lot of videos that I'm going to upload. And I'm planning to upload videos on previous question papers, so I'll be solving previous question papers and upload the videos in there. So subscribe and click the bell notification so that whenever I upload you can able to see those videos. But then if you think you can solve this problem, pause this video and solve it, and let's say you're gonna able to find the same answer as the one that I'm going to find at the end of this video. Right, let's start guys, let's start. So before you use the quotient rule, you need to recognize that you have to first select your f of x and your g of x. Now remember, your f of x is the one on the numerator, so in this case our numerator here is x squared, and your g of x for this one is the one on the denominator, which is going to be natural log then x squared. Right, now we need to differentiate these two functions here. Remember guys, you have to be able to identify these two. All right, so let's differentiate the f of x here. Now f of x prime, we all know that is a derivative of f of x. Now this, as you can see, this is a standard formula, is going to be x 2x there. Again guys, if you don't understand how we manage to differentiate this, go to this video that will pop up here, watch that video. I explain the standard derivative if you want to go deeper and try to understand how this came about. Okay, now let's look at the other one, the g of x here. So the derivative of g of x is going to be g of x prime, and then the answer here is going to be 2 then x 2 over x, I mean. So this is our answer here. What you should, if you don't know how this came across, again you can go to this icon here, and then as you can see, as it pops there, there's a video where we explain the derivative of natural log. I hope you guys can able to watch those ones. Now that we have the derivative of f of x and the derivative of g of x, we can start using the formula for quotient rule. Now what is the formula? So this is the formula, let me write it here. Dy over dx is gonna be the derivative of f of x multiplied by g of x minus f of x multiplied by the derivative of g of x. All this divided by g of x squared. Guys, this is the formula for quotient rule. Again, I made a video here. If it so happen that you want to know the application and the explanation of this formula, I made a video there. It will pop up. Go and watch that video so you can understand deeper when it comes to the application of this equation here. All right, now let's substitute. Now dy over dx, in this case, is going to be what? So what is our f of x prime? So f of x prime, the derivative of f of x, is going to be 2x. Right, multiplied by g of x. Now g of x, remember g of x is natural log 2x, so multiplied by natural log x squared, not 2x by the way, x squared. Okay, minus, so on the second term now we have f of x instead of f of x prime. So what is our f of x? Our f of x is x squared, so you can write x squared. multiply by the derivative of g of x, which is gonna be 2 over x. So is this one here, derivative of g of x. All this divide by, just have a good line here, divide by g of x prime squared. I mean, what is our g of x? Our g of x is gonna be, is this one here. So it's natural log x squared, then squared. There we go. Now if you continue, we write this in a let's just simplify it in a simpler form. Let's start with this one here. By the way, this one, there's nothing we can do. The first term on the numerator is just going to be 2x multiplied by natural log x squared. This one is straightforward. As you can see, the second term here, x into x squared, so you're left with 2x here. All right, because it's going to be negative x multiplied by 2, so that is going to be 2x. And then here, this one again, we just gonna write it this way: natural log squared x squared. I hope you can see, guys. Yeah, I hope you don't get confused, or you can leave it like that, it's still fine. Right, so let's continue. We can take out the common factor on the numerator. So what is our common factor on the numerator? Let's look at our numerator. So our common factor on the numerator is 2x. So meaning we're gonna be left with natural log x squared minus 1 over natural log squared x squared. So this, guys, is our final answer. So guys, I hope you understood how to use the quotient rule. Basically all you have to do is to understand this formula, how does it work. But other than that, you must know also how to differentiate your f of x and the g of x. So in order for you to know this, you also need to identify the type of functions that they are. But other than this, guys, this was not that complex. It was very straightforward. I hope you guys understood, and if it so happened that you didn't understand, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Or you can say anything on the comment section that you feel like you need to add. But if this video managed to help you out, you can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you can able to see it. Because I'm planning to upload videos on previous question papers, so you don't want that to miss you. Anyway, guys, share this video to your friends, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Till next time, cheers.